Welcome to the Glass Studio. I'm Jeannie, and I love to have you here. And if you know us at all, you know that whenever we find or learn something cool, we share it with you. So today I was working on this skateboard. I did the original skateboard a few years ago, and it was for a Wizard of Oz themed show. And so I have the yellow brick road, and I fused the poppy, the big poppy, and put together the Emerald City and the rainbow, and the background was just painted and stippled. Well, that was okay for a while, but then I got this wild idea that I wanted to put it in another show. And I thought, well, but I can't put it in, just like that. It needs something. It needs a pop. And so I thought, oh, I know what I can do. I can put all kinds of little poppies in a poppy field all around the yellow brick road. And so that's what I've been doing, cutting lots and lots of little poppies and a few green leaves here and there. So I was starting to do that, and as I was chipping away at glass, it was going all over the place. And I should probably put my safety glasses down while I do this. But it was going all over the place, and I was sweeping up bits and pieces of glass from all over. So I decided, hey, I saw this backdrop for a bevel or grinder, and I thought that might just work. And so I started clipping. I first will make some squares, and then I'll clip the corners to make kind of a circle. Not really a circle, but wow, see that? It hits the backdrop and comes right back down, and somebody could sit over on the other side of the table and not worry about getting hit in the eye. So, but then I'll cut my little pieces and then just put them right in here. I'm gonna fill it first to see how many I need, and then I'll start gluing them down. Another thing that we did that we might try a little different later is I made a bunch of squares like that, and then we put them in the kiln. Now I think that if we left them longer, they would have been rounder.
Longer or hotter?
Longer and hotter, okay. And so I might try that a little later too. So I just think that would be kind of fun to make dots out of that, and then that's another way to make your poppy field if you so desire. So that's what I just wanted to tell you about, is this backdrop and making my little poppies in a field.
So sometimes looking for something is just knowing what it's called is just as important as anything else. You're looking for something. Jeannie was using a fold-up screen that we got with a Diamond Max grinder, and then I went looking for one to see if I could find one, and I couldn't find them anywhere until I went to Amazon, and I finally looked up fold-up work screen, and there were several big ones, and then I finally found these. And so some of them are really good price, some of them are not so good, but just looks to me like something that you could use, and hope you enjoy using them.
And so if you want to try it, hey, go ahead. It's kind of fun and relaxing. Listen to a little podcast, clip some poppies, and off you go. So thanks for being with us here in the studio today. And if I learned something else, hey, I'll let you know.